Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I am going to solve Braintree SQL coding challenge data analyst questions, which I have already solved in my previous videos. First and second part I have already solved. So you can go and check my previous videos for the solution. Remaining parts today I will solve. And everything like data, my GitHub link, everything I will share in my description box. So you can go and check my description box as well. Same time, I'll share my Mr. Anokoli's link also, GitHub link, because from his uh, GitHub only I got the solution problem sum, and he has solved in another way, so you can go and check his way as well of solving. Okay, so let's start our video without wasting more time. Before starting our video, I want to say that whoever didn't subscribe and like my video, please like and subscribe it because it gives me motivation to create new content. Okay, then let's start our video. So if you'll see here, you can see first part, second part I have already solved. I'll just give one view. Solution and all, everything you can go and check in my GitHub link. And today, now I will go and solve the third, fourth, fifth, and third and sixth question I'm leaving as of now. I want you all to solve and send me or comment on my comment box. Remaining I will solve. So come, let's see our challenge first. What is our challenge? So fourth question we'll see. Third I am leaving for you guys. Fourth I will solve. So what I have already copy pasted in my notepad. So come, let's see our notepad. So if you'll see here in this question they are asking what is the count of countries and some of their related GDP per capita values for the year 2007. So what I have to do that those who are first time seeing this video, I'll show you little bit, I'll give you glance of question. Here we have four tables: continent map, countries, per capita. If I'll show you all table, we can see in this way. Let's see. So continent have continent code, continent name, continent map have country code and continent code. Then countries have country code, country name, and per capita have all GDP values and all. As you can see here, country code, year, GDP per capita. So I for second question itself, I already joined tables. If you'll see, I have joined already table and made one table. If you'll try check this table, you can. I'll show you. So I have already joined table, and then let's start our question. So what is the count of countries and some of their related GDP per capita values for the year 2007? So what here they are asking that we want two columns only, count of countries and some of their related GDP per capita, and year should be 2007. Okay, so come, let's start. So here, since I already joined table, so we have this. You, if you want, you instead of when we have like many questions on same basis, like see here we have 4 5 questions on same. Like once we applied, created one table, this table is only going to use for my next all remaining questions also. So for, when you have case like this, since I'm using like every time I'm using joins, but what we you can do, you can create view also. So once you will create view, your table will be there, just you have to write your queries. But here I am using this table itself again and again, not view. So what I'll do, I'll write first what is our requirement: count of countries and some of their related GDP. Okay, so let's see. Count, we want to calculate count of countries, right? So some where, where the string an, okay, we have to read properly first. Count of countries and some of their related GDP per capita values for the year 2007, where string an, and it is case insensitive. We have to be, when we whenever this pattern is coming, like where we are going to use like operator, we have to be very careful because it is case sensitive. So here they have clearly mentioned you have to use case insensitive, appears anywhere in the country name. So when it is anywhere in the country name, you can use percent, then an percent. In this question, interviewer want to see whether you know uh, using of like operator in all way or not, because basically we are using like percent an percent. Start with an means an percent, end with an means percent an. But here client want to know whether you know full use of like operator or not. So in he clearly mentioned appears anywhere in the country name. It means you should use percent an percent. So now we'll write our query. Here itself will, since we want to see data for 2007, so here itself will filter where year, where is year, CP year equals to 2007. No need. So here as of now I'll leave this. First we'll filter out our data itself, because there is no need of checking full data when we already have clearly mentioned only for 2007 we want. So now this is year 2007. Now what they are asking, what is the count of countries and some of the where the string an appears anywhere in the country name. So here itself we can use an also, where cp.year equals to 2007, and we can use country name. Where is country name? Cn dot country name is like, no, is not there, only like should come. Like is the correct syntax. Then percent an percent. So you will get, let's see. Yes, you can see here anywhere an is coming means it is considering all countries are coming with an. Perfect. Now what is next? Appears anywhere in the country name. Okay. Now what? Now we already have our table, and what we can do here, we can order by as well. So it will give me clear idea of continents. Order by will order by according to continent name. So in continent name, in continent Africa, all are coming an. Then Asia, okay, this is perfect. And then we will, now our table is ready. For this case our table is ready. Now what we'll do, we'll create CTE, with CTE as this table. Select, what we'll do, we want count of countries, count of countries and some of their related GDP. Okay, so count country name, comma sum of GDP. So GDP per capita. Something is wrong here with. Okay, so you got your, and just check last time. Whenever, actually, if you'll see question, I'll take question. In this, in starting, for those who are new for this challenge, I am showing for those first people. It is clearly mentioned that whenever any amount is there, it should come with along with dollar symbol. I'll show you here. Here, all answers that return money values should be rounded to 2 decimal points and preceded by the dollar symbol. So for dollar symbol, what we should do? First of all, we should round it, round to 2, because they clearly mention round, and then concat. You'll use concat symbol, and we'll use apply dollar comma this from CTE. Now you will get proper answers. What is the requirement? Okay, like this. Now you got. Just what I will do, I'll mention this as something. I'll give name and select count of country name as country count, country count, and this one as some GDP per capita. I'll mention as GDP per capita. Now I guess it will look clean as well. Okay, so this is our first part, country count and GDP per capita, sum of GDP per capita. Now let's see next part. Okay, something happened. Okay, this is fourth A. I'll copy paste here as well, my fourth part, because now fourth B. Fourth B is same, repeat question 4A, but this time make the query case sensitive. So when they are saying case sensitive means instead of AN, you should use capital AN. I will not write again, you can try by yourself. So if it is capital AN, all countries will come where it is capital AN. So I guess there is no country where A and N both are capital. So, oh, it is coming in this way. I guess it should be in this way, A and small n. This one will work. Okay, then also same countries are coming. Let's see. Okay, then also all are coming. Okay, I'll check and in my next video I'll clear. I guess it will come all only, but anyways, I'll check and in my next video I'll clear this doubt as well. So if you know, you can mention in my comment box. I will check from your comment box or my comment box itself. Okay, so next question is this one done. Fourth A, fourth B completed. Now let's see fifth question. What is my fifth question saying? Let's see. First copy paste My Okay, so find the sum of GDP per capita by year and the count of countries for each year that have non-null GDP per capita, where the year is before 2012 and the country has a null GDP in 2012. Your result should have three columns. Okay, year, country, count, total. So what in fifth question they are asking, that sum of GDP per capita by year that have and the count of countries for each year that have non-null GDP per capita. So first of all, we should calculate for the year is before 2012. So again, same data, same table we will take, and filter value also will take same only. But here what will come, CP dot year should be less than 2012. Okay, so let's check it once. Okay, so we got a year 2012 less than 2012. Okay, where is mine? Okay, next, find the sum of GDP per capita by year. Sum of GDP per capita by year. Okay, and the count of countries for each year. Okay, so each year sum of GDP should come and count of countries that have non-null GDP per capita, and data should be non-null. So here itself we should filter where data is non-null. So and um, which column is null actually? GDP per capita should be non-null. So I'll copy this itself and write here is not null. Then this will come in our filter itself. So these are the cases where GDP per capita is not null. Now again same thing you have to do what we did in first part. In fourth part we'll do country count as well as GDP per capita. That's it, we'll get our answer. So what we'll do, we'll make a table as T1 and then we'll select T1 dot year comma count of, I'll do country name, what I'll do, from here itself I'll copy count of country name as country count. From here we'll copy everything, no need of writing everything again, and again this will be copied as same this thing from table this, and since we are using count and some function, group by will come. So group by T1 dot, because every year they are asking, they have clearly mentioned for each year, so we should get for each year, our data should be for each year. Let's see. Okay, so for 2004 country count is 205 and GDP is 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 2 lakh, 21 lakhs. For 2005 GDP is 23 lakhs, like that. So this one also done, and the year is before 2012. Okay, and second part is the country has a null GDP per capita in 2012. Okay, so you can solve this. Just what you have to do here, you have to make it equal to 2012, because here what it is saying, country has a null GDP per capita in 2012. Is not null, no, is null. Here you have to make is null and come country which have null in 2012. Let's see. Okay, so I guess no country have GDP per capita to null in 2012. Let's see. We can check. We can cross check. What we'll do, we'll copy and paste this separately. We'll copy paste this separately. Let's see anything is coming or not. No, no data is there. Okay, and what we'll do, once we'll check in this way also that any value for GDP is null or not. This will give us more clear idea. No, we don't have any null values. I guess we already cleaned null values in our first part because I remember data integrity and checking and cleanup alphabetically list all of the country codes in the continent map table that appear more than once. Display any values where country code. Okay, okay. So we clean null values for country code only. But anyways, for GDP per capita, there is no null value. So there is no, your answer will always be blank only. So here you can find fifth part one already solved. Second part, just what you have to do instead of is not null, you have to make is null, and instead of 2012 less than 2012, you have to make equal to 2012. Then your second part will also get solved. Now come, let's solve seventh part. Sixth part again I am leaving because it is not that much difficult. You can solve by yourself. I'll go for seventh part. So first come, let's copy paste seventh part. My seventh part question is saying find the country with the highest average GDP per capita for each country continent for all years. Okay, country with the highest average GDP per capita. What they are saying that in each continent, which country have a highest average GDP per capita? Then let's sorry. Then let's solve. Same table again I will do. I'll copy paste. That's why I'm saying when you solve, try to make it as a view itself because there is no need of copy paste same table again and again. We can create view and solve questions. So find the country with the highest uh, average GDP per capita for each continent for all years. So there is no need of year filter here. So only this much is required as a table. Okay. So let's run this. Okay, now what is saying find the country. Okay. With the highest average GDP per capita. So what I'll do, I'll write select T1 dot continent name because we want continent name. Let's see. I guess here they have mentioned as well. No. Okay, no issue. Yeah, one thing they have in this question, actually what they are asking that they have already given us table rank, continent name, country code, country name, average GDP per capita. We have to find what mistake they have done in this. So we have our final result should come in this way only. So let's create in this way itself. But before writing this, what I want to show, before all solution, I want to zoom and show you so that for those who are watching in phone, they can get zoom solution as well. So this is my fourth question. So I'll zoom it. So you can see this part, this problem you can able to see, I guess, now clearly. This is my fourth part solution. Here I am showing you zooming. I'm zooming and showing you. You can check this solution in my on my GitHub as well. This is fourth part. Now fifth part I'll show you. Okay. And now come, let's solve seventh part. So let's see. Now find the country with the highest average GDP per capita for each continent for all years. Same question is this. Highest average, here also we calculated highest average GDP, somewhere we calculated, right? Sum of GDP, we didn't calculate average GDP. Okay, so now here we have to calculate average GDP. Okay, so now compare you the highest average GDP for each continent for all years. So T1 dot year, comma, average GDP. What else you want? Rank will take continent name, country code, country name. Continent name, country code. Where's country code? Continent name, country code, comma, T1 dot country code. Country name as well they want. So T1 dot country name, check country name, comma. Year I will keep because they want year as well. No, there is no need of year. So okay, no need. Just we'll see, find the country with the highest average GDP for each continent for all years. Okay. Then actually year is not required. We can remove year. And we want average GDP per capita as average GDP from this table. And we should use group by as well. So according to what we have to group by, find the where is it? Find the country with the highest average GDP per capita for each continent. So we have to group by according to continent. Group by T1 dot continent. Okay, let's run this. So it is not coming. But why it is not coming? Mm, because here it is like this. Maybe. Mm, this should come. Continent name, then country code, country name. So what my query is saying that it should come as average GDP. It will take by country code should also come, or what? I guess country code should also come. Dot country code. Mm. What it is saying, find the country with the highest average GDP per capita for each continent for all years. So year is actually not required for all years. It is kind of means group by should be first continent name. So in that, all in Africa, average GDP should come according to all country code. Okay. So average GDP should come according to continent name, country code, and country name. Okay. And here average GDP is there. So again we should follow same rule of concatenation. Let's write same thing as well for concatenation, and here it will come 2, then okay. Okay, so this is coming now. What it is saying, please describe first of all. Okay, so they want to show me rank as well. Okay, so first rank for all continent. So again we'll write rank, we'll calculate rank. So for calculating rank, what I'll do, I'll select again, make this table as T2, and here select T2 dot all, comma, rank. I'll calculate rank or dense rank. Now we have to see whether we should use rank or dense rank. So here for each country they will, maybe rank will repeat, so better we'll use dense rank itself. No need of rank. Dense rank over partition by according to what we have to see. So continent name, partition by continent name, T2 dot continent name, and order by uh, average GDP. That too, what we want, highest GDP or lowest GDP. We now compare your list, find the country with the highest average GDP. Okay, so we have to calculate average GDP, that too in descending order. T2 dot average GDP descending, as I'll give as rank 1. I'll give from this table Okay, so we for Africa, if you'll see, I'll show you this query. For Africa, one, two, first is Djibouti that have average GDP of $955. Then, so we want to take top only. Okay, so for Asia, what is top? Pakistan. Huh? No, wait. Order by something is wrong. Something I did wrong, I guess. Order by average GDP. Descending means from highest to lowest, right? But why for me here lowest to highest it is showing? It is showing something wrong actually. Partition by continent name, then average GDP. So when I'm making it average GDP as rank 1, this should come as rank 1 because window should be created on continent name. So window is created on continent name, and in this window which one is highest should go on first. Descending means from top to bottom, right? So it should come in this way. Why it is not coming? What mistake I did? Something is wrong. When select T2 dot all, okay, and average GDP should be, if I'll make it ascending, let's see what is coming in ascending. So why it is coming in 10 4 3 1 should be first, but why it is in third position? No, something is wrong. I have done something wrong. Okay, what I will do, I'll remove this first. I'll remove and check what I am doing wrong. Now let's see. And I'll make it descending. Let's see it is coming correct or not. Now it is coming correct. So for Africa, Equatorial Guinea, whatever you will say, Guinea, okay, that will come first, okay, and correct. And in Asia, let's see what is first. Definitely, Pakistan should not come first. Qatar is first, okay. Yeah, see now it is perfect. 31,890, 37,92, 39,316. Now it is in proper. So okay. So now it is correct. Now what we'll do? Here, let's see. Is it because of concatenation? Mhm. Then what we'll do? We'll add that concatenation and all in last. Okay. So now what we should do? Rank. We have to select everywhere where rank is 1. So filter it where rank 1, select all. Okay, so what we should do, we'll use CTE, this table, select all from CTE where rank 1 is 1, where rank 1 equals to 1. So let's see. Okay, fine. Now come, let's see what is the difference between our table and their table. Okay, so according to them, Africa, first of all, they didn't ordered by, their data is not ordered by. Okay, suppose it is ordered by according to continent name. So for us also Africa is first, but in Africa it should be Equatorial Guinea, but for them it is Seychelles. So okay, so let's see, for us Seychelles is coming where? So for that what I should do, we should remove rank and we should see Seychelles is coming on which position. So okay, for us Seychelles is coming on second position, that is 11,348. 11,340. Okay. So what they in their data first, this one is wrong. So because they clearly mentioned, please describe any and all mistakes that you can find with the data set below. So first itself is wrong, because in Africa should come first, but in Africa country which should be first is Equatorial Guinea. Then next is Asia, Kuwait 43,192. For us in Asia first is what? Let's see. In Asia first is Qatar, that is 7,567. So here it should come Qatar, but okay, anyways, we'll check value of Kuwait. So value of Kuwait is 43,192.48. Okay, so value is correct, but Qatar should come correctly. Then in Europe, according to them, Monaco is there, and for us, what is there in Europe? According to us, Monaco is there. Okay, perfect. And value is 152,936. 152,936. For us, it is 151,421. So here in this case, value is wrong. GDP value is wrong. Okay, then North America, if we'll come to North America, let's see. So for North America, Bermuda is first. So Bermuda is first. Okay, let's see value 84634. And according to them, it is 83788. So value is wrong. Country is correct. Then Oceania, Australia, and 47070. So let's see in Oceania, 47,147,070. Value is wrong, but other things are correct. And South America, Chile, and Chile, and values 10781, 1071. So this one is only line row which is correct totally. Otherwise, all are wrong. So now what I will do, I want to show in same format. So what I'll do, I'll write like this rank. So they want first as rank. Select rank 1 as rank, comma, as rank, comma. Then what they want, continent name, country code, country name. Continent name, country code, country name. As it is they want, so I will also use as it is. Continent name, country code, country name. Then average GDP they want, right? And average GDP per capita. So here what we'll do, in average GDP per capita, I'll use round and all everything. So what I'll do, I'll take somewhere from here, this one. Average GDP per capita from CTE. Actually, no need of average, just GDP. What is the name here? Average GDP. Just average GDP. Comma 2 and then this. Okay, perfect. Now, right. Hmm. Okay, now we have to select rank as well, where rank is 1. Where rank equals to 1. Oof. Hmm. Why? Because this is wrong. I'll not write it as rank 1. Let it be rank 1 itself. Okay, now this is correct. This is your answer. Here in this one you can give some name as well. So as average GDP. Okay. So this is your solution for 7th part. So here today I completed Braintree SQL coding challenge fully. You can check all solution on my GitHub link. I'll share my GitHub link in description box. You can go and check there. Again, I'm saying whoever does didn't like and subscribe my video, please like and subscribe my video. It will give me motivation for creating more content. And please keep on trying SQL again and again. More you will try, more you will get handy for SQL. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.